Linux platform, somebody wants to use the Windows platform, somebody, and what are the command you need to know, and what is the file structure, file structures, and what are the solvers are available, and tutorials and environmental variables. So these are the things, basic requirement for the basics for the advanced session. So just quickly we can review all the things, and yeah. So like how, where you download the session, how you are going to install the session, right, and resources, some resources. So suppose we are going to install, just quickly I will review the download and installation things. So you will download the session, the OpenFOAM, you will download the version, OpenFOAM community version. From here you will go, you can see Linux here, that you can have the some so like how, where you download the session, how you are going to install the session, and there are two way to install OpenFOAM. Either you can use the source package, mean you can install the you can download the OpenFOAM package, and later on you can compile it in your machine, right, your laptop and desktop, so wherever you want. Second option is online just copy paste method, generally we call copy paste method. So basically whatever the command is mentioned here, just you need to focus, you need to if you are using any platform, so just you need to focus on this steps. So basically we call the copy paste method. So we have this one second, we have the this so where is that, I think we have down, one second, just let me, I think that is closed by mistake. So like we have the all the this one, this copy paste, we call like copy paste method. So just whatever the information, so I will share this all the file with you. So we assume you have already this knew all the things. So I have mentioned all the things here, how you are going to install this OpenFOAM in your machine. So I will share in your I think this slide also is visible to you all. Anybody can respond in the chat window. So this one, and we have the different type version, different type of like community version, OpenFOAM community version, and foundation version. So latest version of the community version is the OpenFOAM 12, version 22.12. So that is the latest one. So like you can see the OpenFOAM version 2206 is the previous one, latest one is this. And what is the foundation version, latest one is OpenFOAM 10. If you go there, right, so OpenFOAM 10, OpenFOAM 10, as you know, this is the latest one. So you can have the all you can download and install. I will share. Then if you follow the other thing, you will not face any issue, because that is a completed detail procedure. Suppose if you want to install OpenFOAM 10, so then you can have, I will take one thing, I will take only the one, and rest of the thing are the similar. So suppose you want to install this version, right, there is a one version here, just like just where is that, Control Alt T, I'm not over, just wait. See, suppose just open this window, suppose you are using the, suppose if you are using because it's necessary for this session the basic background. So suppose today we are if somebody is having any issues in the window, just let me know. You can drop me a message or mail, I can help you into that window side. Right now we are using, I am just telling how you are going to use in the Linux, mean Ubuntu, in Ubuntu. So basically you can have the, we call this the cut copy paste, copy paste effect. Just you can add this repository just copy here. I will not do here, just I am telling that you can copy here. After that repository it will be added into your computer. Then after that you need to update your system. Then you can download. Then you can install this OpenFOAM. This is the simple way. So but if you follow this step, that is okay for the initial once you are using the single version of OpenFOAM in your computer or your PC. So if you are using multiple version in OpenFOAM, then you need to have the set a different alias or some environment variable. So that is very important. Environmental variable we called. So for that I will share all the things. Now I am just going to demonstrate quickly for the latest OpenFOAM community version how you are going to install OpenFOAM version 22.12. So in your machine or in your computer. So see, first I have mentioned here all the steps you need to follow. First you need to download the source code. I told you where you need to download. So suppose it's a copy. If you want to download the code, then you can go some other you have the other I'll show here. So I have mentioned all the path are here. So after that you can download, you can make create a installation folder in the home directory, and whatever that you have downloaded, then you have uncompress it and compile it. So after that you need to set the environmental variable. So then compile the third party package, basically third party package for the viewing your results, right, and compiling an installation OpenFOAM. So these are the detailed procedure I have mentioned here. So let me, I think we need to have this. So I have mentioned you can download different versions in your machine. So all the paths are given here. After that, create the installation. You can make the folder. Basically, in a detailed one, I will share this to you. So you are later on. You need to set the environmental variable. So then this is very important. Environmental variable. I will tell you the some other slide. So after that you need to compile. Just you need to focus all the thing, and after that you need to test the OpenFOAM is installed correctly or not, right? So then you need to follow these commands. So make So that is the things for the resource download of an installation of OpenFOAM. So now let me go into that. So we can have this one. So and other thing, most important, what are the main or useful commands which you are going to use in the OpenFOAM. I hope that's what is the basic information is needed for this session. So these are the main commands you need to know. So like cd, change the directory, mk directory, mk mean you need to make the folder, you need to make a folder or directory. cp mean copy your data from one place to other place, or remove mean if you want to remove the data, remove the any file and folder. So these are the main commands. And this is also very important, this environment. If you find any environmental variable, so environmental variable I will tell you in the we have the separate presentation for this. So because we don't want to invest more time here. So after that basically environmental variable grep mean find related to this kind of, like whatever the match with this information. Suppose I will just demonstrate to somebody is here. So yeah. So suppose I want to demonstrate this. So this one. So like if you want to see environmental, if you put the env, you are initial right, this learner, right? So then it's there is a lot of variable are set in your machine. So which is you will confuse, right? So we don't want to do that. We just clear the screen. Just use the clear command. So clear command, it can clear your terminal. So suppose I want to see this OpenFOAM related environmental variable, like you can use env. Env means this short form environmental variable. So then you have this sign, and grep mean you need to find mean it can be find. So what you are going to find, like so you, something is going wrong, right? Yeah, form, mean I want to find related to form, whatever the open form related thing, it can be, because it's not coming. So you know the, see, I have put it, this is not coming. So first suppose I want to yeah, this one I will tell you later. First you need to activate the open form 12 12 12. So suppose I have activated now. So I have activated. Now suppose I want to find, see, these are the variables. These are the variables. Mean see, whatever the related to this open form, all the things are coming. Whatever the install this variable set in your machine. So this is the you need to find. Suppose you need to find some other thing. So suppose you need to find, suppose SRC. You can find SRC. See, so see, why is not coming? Oh, this is not, no, this is not, this is the variable. So SRC is under come this open form. SRC, like SRC is come under this open form SRC. If you put this, it's getting slow. Why? See, SRC. It's mean the previous who attend the previous, see, I just type here whatever this variable in your system, so that it will be display here, right? You get the variable. So that's what this are the some more command more the basic knowledge of this session is required. So, and if you cover whole the thing is required a lot more time. So then suppose and it's mean what is the meaning of this? Basically project directory. And see, suppose I want to go in this, I want to, you can see the meaning. If you don't know the meaning, just type it. I am just giving the way. Suppose project directory, dir. So see, project directory, where is your open form is installed. Did you get this thing? It's mean project directory. Above the project, the open form version, this one. So it can give you the all the detail where is installed. So if you want to see what is inside, you can do this. So let me do this. Tree minus L1. Why is getting slow today? So you can have the is a, see, in the this open form. I told you about one thing, so I'm just going to show some difference also is here, is important. Time, you can also just one second. Can we go 1? Hello everyone, can we respond? Can we go up to 1, so then we can cover the first two things. Later we can. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Yeah, because this because some basic this is very important for everyone. So if you know all basic thing, all the things, then it's very easy to explore by yourself also is possible, right? So first you need to do, you need to know all the informations. So suppose now our question here, like I am clearing one question here, one doubt here. What is the difference between the OpenFOAM community version, OpenFOAM this foundation version? Suppose which version is this we are using here? Can you tell? Somebody tell? It's me. Which version? Community version or foundation version? No idea? Hello? No idea? So basically this is the community version .com version. So I want to show other this OpenFOAM 10 mean foundation version. See, now I am just activating OpenFOAM. Earlier we have already how you are going to use multiple OpenFOAM in your machine, right? So now that is a 10 version. just typing here, right? This command, suppose I type here. Once you activate that version, I am just typing here. It will take you where I have installed. I have installed in my machine OpenFOAM 10. So you know the difference. I am going to show that difference between two OpenFOAM version. So now where we are, see, I am just running both the commands together. Okay, so I am running in the both the two different versions the same command, project directory. So we call the project directory in the community version. See, we came here and we came here. OpenFOAM, this is OpenFOAM 10, this is OpenFOAM 2212. This is the OpenFOAM community version. COM version, this is the ORG version. See what is the difference. Now suppose I am command, this command you can make a note. Tree it can be visualize your data in the there are two way to visualize. ls, if you do the ls means list the file. If you, so it can be, see, it can be show the data in this fashion. If you type tree minus this one, so you can see the in the list type, you can see the data your listed wise. So now where we are, now we are here, right, in the both. Now see, so I am just here also you can see tree minus L2. See, you can see here also you can the same thing, right? Application folder, bin, etc, is the document tutorial, right? Here the document folder is there, right? So but here is not there because here they use the different like online platform kind of thing. There is some Docker you need to some other thing are there. So but the similar way you can see. Now I want to show some what is the difference. Now we want to see the what is inside the somebody ask. Okay, so in see we are going to the we want to see the application side. So you can see the comparison of both the side. So I have done suppose level 1. I want to see go on the level 2. So you can put the 2 here. So now you can see we want to see in the only the application side first. Where is that? This application, right? In application, see application here. Here also you can type here to second level. So I am just showing the comparison between both the version, right? So now we are here, right? See here solve. See here solver are here. Solvers mean solvers are here. Some tools are there. Some utility also is there. So the difference, this the community is having more options are available, right? Here you can see more options as compared to the here, right? So if you want to see this is the application side. If you want to see the tutorial, so we can have the tutorial. Where is the tutorial here? These are the tutorial sections, right? You can see the tutorial section here. So here also you can see the tutorial section here. See here are the last tutorial as compared to here, right? So that only the difference. So you can, if you are using this version, you have the more flexibility, more options are available as compared to the foundation version. And if you go again suppose if you want to see again the tutorial, I want to show one thing in tutorial section. In the tutorial section I want to show only that this folder, this incompressible, right? So tutorial section incompressible. So I am going to do cd, first let me clear, cd tutorial incompressible. So I am just both the cd tutorial incompressible. So we are same place, we are in the same place. Now you can see we are in the same place. So we are in the same place. Now what you need to do, what is the inside, what are the tutorials are available. So if you do level 1, you can do the level 1, or you can do the level 2, fine. So level 2 is not coming the entire window, just do the level 1, and here also you can do the level 1. So see the difference, here the options are less, here are the options are more. See, only the difference is this: when you are OpenFOAM foundation version, you have the less options, you have the more options. So that is clear to you all, right? I hope it is clear to you what is the difference between the .com version. .com mean latest one is 22.12, and foundation version .org version is 10. Latest version is 10. The I think that is clear to you all, right?